I admit it when I'm wrong. And I was wrong about this. This is the Hover Air X1 ProMax. I'm not a guy that usually goes into and buys a lot of gear. Most of it is overrated and underperforming. But this thing is a game changer. I don't get impressed by content gear very often. A lot of it sounds great but doesn't really change anything. But this actually does. This is the Hover Air X1 ProMax. No controller, no pilot, no complicated setup. You turn it on and it just follows you. It tracks you smoothly, even when you change direction. Walking, moving, turning, it stays with you. It shoots an 8K video. You get cinematic movement automatically. It has built-in tracking and orbit modes. It's got a gyroscope on the front for the video and a gimbal to keep everything steady. The blades are fully enclosed, so it's safe to use in normal environments. And this is where it becomes really useful. If you make videos, this removes a lot of the friction. No tripod setups, no asking someone to film for you, no redoing shots over and over. You just move and it handles the filming. It's not magic, but it makes getting good footage a lot easier. I put the link below if you want to take a look for yourself. It's been one of the more useful tools I've used for content.
Middle. Follow.
Put your hand down, it lands right in your hand. Doesn't get any easier than that.
Middle. Follow.
It's ultra lightweight, follows me wherever I move, constantly facing me, constantly filming. No matter if I'm facing it and I'm talking, I turn around, walk away. It follows me effortlessly. It has an orbit mode. It will go around you and do a 360-degree view. When you're done filming, you just put out your hand and it lands safely in your hand. There's no worry about it hitting something. The blades are fully enclosed. This really has been a game changer for me.
Continue. Hover.
Hover, takeoff. It's also great for kids. You want it to
Middle.
follow your kid, take good footage of them. Come into the frame, Liam. Go over that way. Let it follow you. It doesn't get distracted by me. It's focused solely on him with the AI facial recognition technology that's in the device. Liam, go over here. Go in the grass. Come back. Come back. Hi, Hover. Take off.
Middle. Follow.
Now you can see this thing will follow me. No need for a camera person. No need to change shooting angles. Wherever I move, this thing follows me. Makes it easy to film. It's really been a game changer. And if you want it to land, just stick out your hand. It'll land right in your hand. You don't have to worry about the blades hitting you. They're all enclosed in this special polymer. Protects the blades, protects the drones, protects anything you have. It's very, very cool.
5 feet. Orbit.
It's got a cool orbit function, so it'll orbit around you and take photos and videos of whatever you choose to make it orbit around. Even inside the house, the Hover Air Max Pro has you covered.